Lost it on the Chesterfield, or maybe on a gambling wheel. Lost it in a diamond mine. It's dark as hell and hard to find. You can climb to the top of the high street, you can look around, but you still won't see what I'm looking for. Where the good times go, where the good times go. All that stupid fun and all that shit we've done, where the good time goes. Well, I still don't know. Out in the back in the old cornfield, underneath the tractor wheel, thought I'd dig till I found it first. Broke my back and died of thirst. Well, you can bribe the devil, you can pray to God, you can sell off everything you